my name is Ronel, and today I really want to come and help you as a homeowner to give you a few tips on what to do with all the clutter and how to create quick storage solutions when it's time for open home. So when you prepare your property for sale, it's really hard work because for each open home, it needs to be nice, tidy, clean, clutter-free. But how do you do it in everyday life? It's exhausting. So what I really like using are these storage containers, and you get these from IKEA. They're not really that expensive and they just fold up and fold flat if you don't have to use them anymore. So in this instance, in this kid's bedroom, having children or just a husband or yourself, just clothes laying around, stuff laying around that you use every day, the morning before open home, it's so easy and quick. You just take everything, you just shove it in. And you know what, this is easy, everyone can do it. And it really takes a lot of stuff. You'll be surprised how much you can actually store. And it zips closed so no one can see what's in there. And then all you do is you just slide it under the bed. So as you can see, I already have 3 of them. And this way it just cleans all the clutter, puts away the toys or extra clothes that's laying around. Very quick and easy. Takes you 5 minutes and you're ready to get out of the door for the buyers to come and inspect your home. So I hope this helps.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.